Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Google Cloud command line and also Google Cloud console to create a virtual machine. So once you log into the Google Cloud platform, you can go to go to the navigation menu. So in the navigation menu, you can see all the resources which is available. So when you want to create a virtual machine, you go to the computer engine and virtual machine instances and create instance button. So here let's give it a name, maybe TCP AP Lab 01. And also you select a region that's use this US East 4 and the zone for the 4B. And for that, the instance type, we choose the default E2. There's another one, and also boot disk is just 10 GB. There's a firewall because we want to create another web server for this instances. Let's click allow HTTP traffic and then click create button. So give it a few minutes, then it will get ready. Now you say in this instances list, you say this instance is ready. This green button, that is means okay. Now let's connect to this virtual machine via SSH. Let's click this one and authorize. Now you are connecting to that. So let's just install some NGINX web server. Sudo pt update first. Yes. Now that this web server installed, let's verify that. It's good. So then we can go to the web page to verify this one. So web page, there's internal IP, external IP. We use this external IP to go there. Welcome to NGINX. So we got this one. Congratulations. Next, I'm going to show you how to use the Google Cloud command line to create this virtual machine. So first, you need to activate this Cloud shell by clicking this one. It needs some time to activate. So we have this one. That's great. First, let's set up to do some setup. Like for example, Google Cloud config set. Let's set region East 4, similar as before in console. Authorize. And we also export this region port zone. Okay, so now we did some setup. Now that goes to create an instance by Google Cloud compute instances and create. Now the next one is maybe the name GCP Lab 2. And also machine type, we used that E2 medium before, right? Machine type E2 medium. And also we use that the firewalls, so text HTTP server, and we should specify the zone, which is we set up before. Now it is created, we get all those information. So let's do the same one to install that NGINX web server. How to do that? We can use that the similar one to connect to the SSH. So how to connect to that? gcloud compute sh. What's the name for that? That is a GCP Lab 2. And also Zoom. Enter. Wait, if we want to ask you for the password, just enter. That is empty. Okay, now you connect to this virtual machine via SSH. Now you can install the same one as you before you install that one. So that's sudo apt day. And apt and at the same time you also can say this one. If you refresh here, you should be able to see the second. This is one that you created with command line, and we just installed the web server, so that goes to use the external IP to double check that one. Yeah, congratulations. So now you know how to use that console or use that command line to create a virtual machine. Thanks for watching.